Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your evening recap for Tuesday, April the 1st, 2014. Bulls close it on highs. It's about 4:20 in the afternoon Eastern time, and just a very impressive day by the Bulls today. They made new highs early on. They were able to contain the Bears on the retracement and find support at 69.70. Not even have to get the resistance zone or the pre-FOMC price involved, and we're able to bounce it from there and make new highs on the close. So the Bulls looking in control here. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback overnight, probably as low as 72.73, and we'll see what tomorrow morning brings. But the bottom line is, you get out on the daily chart, and what you see is a very solid 4-day rally off of the bounce off lower band. So I think with some wiggles, it's not going to go straight there. It needs a retrace. It needs to test 72.74 and still potentially test that resistance zone, and then it should make its way up to the 1885 to 1887 area sometime this week. The only saving grace for the Bears is if they were going to be able to create matching highs there, 77.75, but that didn't happen. 77.25, but that didn't happen, and the Bulls were able to take out those highs. So the Bears are going to need to push, and they're going to have to push from an area that they're accustomed to having to try to push, which is from new highs. So tonight I do have a short on, playing that little bit of a retrace. It's not a top calling short. It's a short looking for about 5 or 6 handles from the top. And if that doesn't pan out, I'm not going to stay in it very long. It's not a very big position. But now we're getting into, starting tomorrow, we're starting to get into thinking about the jobs report on Friday. And I said in my room today, if you're looking for the walk up from here, maybe this is the walk up. But if they walk it up from here, and what I mean by that is a very steady move higher up to 8:30 a.m. on Friday, really with no discernible pullback, I don't game jobs, and I won't have a position on at 8:30. But it will be my feeling at 8:29 that we're going to retrace off of the number, whatever that number may be, simply because at that point we will have done 1834 to likely somewhere over 1880, 1885 into a major number. So, and that doesn't mean that dip off that number doesn't get bought and taken back up to new highs. I'm just saying if you walk it up from here, the reaction of the jobs report is more likely to be down rather than seeing more of a two-sided trade tomorrow and Thursday into Friday with your traditional Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, Friday early morning walk up into the number. Okay, that's all I got. I will be out in the morning with a pre-market webcast. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. I didn't tweet much today. Today was kind of a crazy day. We did get a chart out. If you missed that, check it out on the website, blog portion of the website. Come take a free trial to the chat room, because a lot of the reasons that I can't tweet all day is because I'm doing subscriber type stuff in the room. So I'd love to meet you and see if we can help you with your trading. I will catch everybody in the morning. Have a fantastic night and trade them well.